Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've got an absolutely lovely car here. It's a very rare Volkswagen Scirocco. It's the R line diesel. Absolutely lovely condition. Full white with gloss black spec. Front park distance control. A much larger R line front grille and front bumper. R line gloss black alloy wheels, gloss back mirrors, gloss back roof, rear park distance control with the bigger rear bumper diffuser, my spoiler there, absolutely gleaming. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Full leather interior. Just put this back up. This will fold down just to show you. Full. I mean, considering the age and mileage, it hasn't nowhere. Black stitch piping. Carpet mat there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. R-line kick plates, it's done 103,734 miles. It's got the flat bottom leather steering wheel, auto headlights, 6-speed gearbox, let's just start the car up. Sounds great. Got the 3-stage heated seats. Got the media pack on. Got the turbo bars, oil pressure, temperature there. Air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, multifunction steering wheel. This is a lovely car, and honestly, if you look at it, there's just no wear on it. Could be half the miles. Anyway, DJH, well, for full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.